Jinan Qiang CNC Equipment Company Limited, located in Jinan City, Shandong Province, China. We are a professional manufacturer and exporter for CNC routers, CNC plasma cutting machines, laser cutting machines, laser engraving machines, laser marking machines, high-power fiber metal laser cutting machines, and fabric laser cutting machines. We are engaged in researching and developing new technology to be the leading supplier in this industry. Our products passed CE FDA certification. With years of hard work, our company built a series of CNC equipment and enjoy very good reputation from our customers. As a responsible supplier, we offer one complete business system for all of our customers from worldwide. Online negotiating, order confirmation, delivery time, installation, and adjusting guidance, daily maintenance and other after-sales service. In recent years, QD series CNC machines have been sold to many countries, such as China, Canada, USA, Chile, Italy, France, United Kingdom, Spain, Russia, Ukraine, Kazakhstan, Moldova, Turkey, Korea, India, Indonesia. We hope to cooperate with the customers and distributors from all over the world. We are always waiting for your visiting to our company, hoping we can establish win-win and long-term business relationships. Welcome to perfect your work and business together with the Jinan Qiang CNC Equipment Company Limited. Following quality, choose QD CNC.